In the multicultural world of modern Athens, Greek gets tossed with all sorts of other flavors. Today I'm making a Grek-Mex dish, Greek-style chicken fajitas with Greek olives, feta cheese, and Greek yogurt. To make my life a little easier, I'm using pre-carved Mediterranean chicken. Let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is get the peppers ready. And we want to cut the peppers into thin strips. This is a very simple dish. It's fun. Kids love this dish. It's also really quick, very convenient. I'm going to warm up a little bit of olive oil. We don't need too much. I've worked in a lot of Greek restaurant kitchens in my life, and one of the things that I always loved were the staff meals, because there are a lot of Mexican cooks in Greek kitchens. And the hybrid cuisine that evolves out of that sort of marriage of cultures is pretty delicious. The onions. As soon as this softens up, I'll add a little bit of garlic and our spice palette here, which I've got a mix of peppers. I've got paprika, cayenne, and chili powder, black pepper, Greek oregano, and cumin. Let me get a little salt over this. Let's get the garlic in here next. This is a great, easy, fast dinner. And it's fun. Some of the pepper mix. You can add as much or as little as you like, depending on how spicy you like it. Some black pepper. Greek mountain oregano. And some cumin. These are ready to come off. I'm just gonna warm up the chicken. A little bit of olive oil on here. Don't worry too much about those little burnt bits. They're actually the tastiest part. Let me add a little bit of this spicy pepper mix, some cumin powder, Greek oregano, a little bit of what we added to the peppers, in other words. Since this is already cooked, I really just want to warm it up a little bit. And I'm about to get it off the grill. I think you can see why kids come running to this when you make it for dinner. Ready to warm up the tortillas. Filled flatbreads or flatbread sandwiches are something that exists in so many different parts of the world. In Greece, of course, we have the gyro or gyro, sometimes souvlaki as well goes into a flatbread. So I think this is a really, really great example of the foods that unite us, the things that make us realize how similar we are, even with all this diversity. Let's assemble a fajita together with this nice Grek-Mex filling, some of this nice Mediterranean chicken. And this is where the Greek part comes in. Some sliced Kalamata olives, a little bit of feta cheese, and a dollop of Greek yogurt, should we so desire. Roll this up. Time to taste the Grek-Mex fajita. This is a perfect marriage of cultures. It's not too spicy. Peppers and onions are a combination that we see in all sorts of different cuisines: Greek, Mexican, Italian, Spanish. So it's kind of a universally loved combination together with the chicken. But in this dish, it's the spunk of these Kalamata olives and the tartness of the feta and the creaminess of the Greek yogurt that really brings us together and gives it a complex personality.